Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can connect Spotify to your Discord. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, you must have your Spotify account and Discord account to do this. Open Spotify and play the song. Go ahead and mute the music because I want you to hear the process. So you can see right now that I'm playing this song over here. Now what you need to do is go ahead and open Discord. After you have opened Discord, now you can see that it is not showing what you are playing. You can see the user settings over here on the bottom left hand side. Tap on it, scroll all the way down, and on the left hand side under activity settings you can see registered games. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see that no game are detected what you are playing. So go ahead and click add it and select Spotify, or just click on this. And if it's not working, you can restart the Discord once again. So go ahead and quit Discord, open Discord, and after you have opened Discord, what you need to do is go in one channel. After you have went to the channel, go to the general. So you can see that you are currently on this channel. You can now share your Spotify from here. Or else you can go to user settings and go to registered games and click add. After that you can find Spotify here, or else you can just click on share your screen, and then you can see that there are some screens over here. This is the Spotify, and you can see that if you click on go live, you can see that Spotify is currently being shared. And this is how you can connect your Spotify and you can stream it to your friends and other people. So if you want to quit it, just go ahead and click disconnect and the stream will end automatically. So guys, this is how you connect Spotify and stream it. So what you can do is go to registered games and find Spotify over here. So after you have found Spotify, you can see toggle overlay over here. This has already been added, so this way you can connect your Spotify. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.